Hey, Fix-It Tony here. Today it's time to get ready for winter, and as part of that process of getting ready for winter, it's my routine policy to change my wiper blades just before winter, because the winter is the harshest time for wiper blades and the most road slush, snow, and other dirt and debris hitting the windshield, and you'll be using the windshield washer fluid quite a bit, so the wipers will be used more. So I'm going to replace my wiper blade, and I always, for the past, 10 years, I've always been using the Bosch blade system. I like it. I like the way that the armature doesn't freeze in a stuck position. It's all solid and covered, and has good pressure along the entire width of the blade. So to replace the blade, pretty straightforward. On these Bosch systems, I really like them. You kind of have to pinch, and we're lifting up this little section here, and then all I'm doing is pushing, I guess, towards the center of the car, lifting up and pulling the blade out, carefully dropping the arm, and then I get my new blade. You can't tell a bad blade by just looking at it. You can see how it's got, for me anyway, let me see, you can't tell a blade by just looking at it, but it feels a little on the stiffer side, dried, and I'm sure people have tried to rejuvenate these, but for the safety of driving, just get a new pair. I'm lucky in this car, all I have is just one blade, and it's a matter of taking it out of the package. That's often harder. All right, here's the new blade. Again, I'm going to open it by squeezing this little area here and opening the lid, feeding it through the hole that's right there, and then dropping it down. Grab it from this structural area and pull towards me, away towards the outside of the vehicle. And then when you do that, you just close it and you're done. Very easy. Thanks for watching.